Hi, this is just a quick review of StorEase Pegboard. It's an interlocking storage system. So square panels, 45.6 by 45.6 centimeters, just easily interlocks and actually goes up quite painlessly. This was purchased from Bunnings and it was not cheap, $15 a panel. Certainly was easy to install. I have yet to put in all of my pegboard hangers, but this has just gone up and I have discovered that these stickers don't come off very easily. Some attempts at trying to get them off. Just tears. Can't even get purchased. No, that's not coming off. So that's really disappointing. That's going to take a lot of work to get all those stickers off because I certainly don't want them looking like that. Anyway, that would be my word of caution if you're looking to buy these. Probably take the stickers off first. Alright, thank you.